So we're just look at a preview of the post so far in another tab, and you can see that the main image is showing twice. So we just want to exclude that so that it's just the main image and then the 5 smaller images down below. So to do that, we're going to click on Add an Image and then on Gallery, and then we're just going to right click on the bottom image in the gallery and then click on Inspect Element. Now we're just going to find which number the main image is so that we can exclude it. So you can see 1635 because that's the one is highlighted. So you can just close that and close that and go back to HTML. 1635 in there. Click on the preview button again. And you can now see that the main image is now removed from the gallery. Okay, so we'll just keep that open. And now we're going to add the property details. So the for sale just means what the price is. So we are going to, okay, so this one is a set date sale, and the address is 85 Harbon Street, suburb is Wembley. A 3 by 1, and it has parking for 2 cars. So we're just going to, okay, so we've just entered the property details, so we're just going to add these codes in here like this. On the next line under the gallery, copy and paste the code. If you want to have a look at it and see how it looks, you can just press the preview and it'll update the preview. And you now see that we've got the property details section 1. If you want to get rid of the extra space, just click on the HTML and it'll bring up the codes and you can remove the extra space. So next we want to add the text. So this is just a matter of copying and pasting it from Word, and you just need to click on the paste from Word, paste it in there, and then just press insert. Now we can clean it all up. So for the bullet points, you just need to get rid of the spaces. Just like that. And then we're just going to press the bullet and it's going to turn them into bullet points. So that's all done. Everything else looks good. And just preview just to have a look and make sure you're happy with the layout and the format of the text. Okay, that looks good. And now we need to add the property details too. So just copy and paste this code. Okay, once you've added the property details too, you need to then add a map. Now to add a map, you need to click on the G, which is build a map. So once it's loaded, you then need to set a center point. So it's 85 Harbon Street, Wembley. Always make sure you put a WA in there so that it knows it's in Australia. Then you need to press Set Center, so it'll bring up the map of Australia. Now we need to zoom it in to about 17. So then it's going to show you that it's Harborne Street. Now we need to add a marker, so you just need to click on the Add a Marker. Then you just need to add in the 85 Harborne Street, Wembley, WA again, just so it adds a point. Then you press Mark Point, and so it's now added a little pointer onto where the property is on the street. And then you just need to scroll down and press Insert Map, and it's going to add a little map ID code. So just make sure that it looks okay, and that is how you add a map. Have a look, make sure you're happy with it. Yep, it looks great. So that's how you add a post. That's all the details for the post, but we still haven't published it and we haven't marked where we're going to put it on the website. So it's in Wembley and it's for sale, so we need to tick the for sale, and then we just need to scroll down and add Wembley. We also need to add some post tags, so you can have a look at the previous post tags we've used. So for sale, house, Wembley, you might want to put 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom. Anything else that you think people would search for. So we've set the featured image. Now we need to add the all-in-one SEO pack. This is just some text so that Google can find it when you put a search in. So just going to change these details to Wembley, 85 Harborne Street. And then you need to put a short description with 160 characters, so just use some text, usually the first paragraph's good, or just some text that's going to give it a short description. Now this has got 209 characters, so we just need to shorten it down. So once you've got it down to 160 characters, we then need to publish it. Now we always want to publish it for 10 o'clock the following morning. So we're just going to change the date. So it's going to be September 30th, and we're just going to change that to 10 AM, and then just press OK, and then press schedule. Okay, so tomorrow at 10 o'clock it's going to go live to the web, and at 11 o'clock MailChimp is going to send out a new email with our new listing. So that's how you add a new post to deanbradley.com.au. Thanks.